Okay, on this one, compute the perimeter and area of the object given in the picture. Angles that look like right angles are right angles. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Well, perimeter just means all around the outside. So we're missing a couple sides, aren't we? I think we can probably get them pretty easy. So we know this right here. Let me back up here. We know that's 7. And we know this is 5. So then this must be 7 plus 5, 12, right? It's those put together. Right, good. Now we can do something like that on the top also. We can say, well, all the way across here is 23, and right here is 11. So they're how far from here to here? And do you see that it must be 23 minus 11, which is what, 12? You see that? Because it's 23 all the way, 11 for this part, so this has got to be the leftover. It's got to be, to find this distance, you take the whole distance and subtract the left side, and you get the right side. So it's got to be 12. Okay, so now we've got those parts. Now, what's perimeter? Perimeter equals all outside edges added. Perimeter just means all the way around the outside. So, okay, let's just add those up. I'll just walk around the thing. 7, I'll start right here. So 7, 11, 5, 12, 12, and 23. 7, 11, 5, 12, 12, 23. Just add those up, whatever that is on your calculator. Let me do it right now too. I'm getting 70. So 70 feet all the way around the outside of this object. Now, the second part, they want us to find the area. So how are we going to do area? Well, probably helpful to draw this line right through here and break it into 2 rectangles, huh? Or you could have done the one here as well, by the way. That'd work fine too. It doesn't matter. So, okay. So we've got 2 rectangles. Let's start with this one. What's the area of that rectangle? Well, the area of this rectangle. And what's the area of a rectangle? Here's the notes. Rectangle area formula, length times width. Just one side times the other to find the area of a rectangle. So I'm just going to go 7 times 11. So that rectangle is 77. And then I've got this other rectangle down here. And let me do that one. Oops. So I'm going to do this one. Boom, boom. So now I want the area of this rectangle. So what's the area of that rectangle going to be? Again, one side times the other, length times width. What are the 2 sides? Well, 12 is this side, and 12 is that side. 12 by 12, 1/4. And you might say, well, what about the 5? Well, the 5's not a whole side, is it? You got to take a whole side and a whole side. 12 and 12. Same thing here, a whole side and a whole side. One whole side times the other whole side. So then it's going to be whatever 77 plus 144 is. You've got to add those 2 rectangles together to get the total area. What are we getting? 221. There we go. 221 square feet. We're talking about how many actual squares would fill up that area. Square feet.